You're competitive in life and looking for an edge. You want to perform at your peak during the day and in every situation. You need to stay on top of your physical game and maintain mental focus. So you need more than an energy drink. You deserve a supplement that helps empower your performance. Max International brings you Max ATP, the great tasting vitamin and nutrient supplement designed to support your body in performing at its best. Max ATP features patented ribosine technology, a combination of powerful nutrients designed to help keep you performing all day long. Ribosine includes D-ribose to assist your body in converting food into energy, fueling the production of ATP, your body's energy currency. It also includes L-cysteine to help enhance your body's production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, to better neutralize free radicals and remove toxins. Max ATP assists in your recovery after work and exercise, helping to ensure you meet every day head-on. There's no spike or rush to make you crash because it's not a quick-fix energy drink. It's a supplement to power your performance. Max ATP, designed to help you look, feel, and live to the max.